Okay guys, so if you would like to report on a guest, so what you need to do is click on reservation. So first of all, of course, log into your booking dashboard, click on reservation tab. Uh, so in reservation tab, select dates from till, and then you should click on show. You will see a bunch of reservations what you have. Select one what you need, and after that, go back to your so open reservation, and here you can see right section what you can select. So mark as no show if guest didn't arrive, and if you have problem with the guest, click on report guest misconduct. So click on it, and here you need to select what kind of behavior do you need to report. So payment use, breaking house rules, abuse behavior, no show. So for example, property damage or some illegal activities, for example, drug use, drug dealing, and it's things like that. So not complying with local law or even theft or any other like property damage. So for example, guest break something in your house. So here you can select also additional request. I would like to block from staying at my property in the future, and I would like to booking.com to follow up this incident. So this is how it works like, but you can also, if something really, when you need to instant help, you can also contact directly. So you can call booking.com. How to call them, how to find contact details, I have already show that in my last videos. So same, if you want to, you can check in my booking extranet playlist on YouTube. Everything is listed there. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. uh, Hope you didn't have any problems with your guests and make money with booking. Have a nice day. Bye.